Hi friends, I'm Ms. Ellie. Today we're going to have so much fun learning swimming words. Are you ready? Let's dive in.
Swimming pool.
Swimming pool.
Shallow end.
Shallow end.
Deep end.
Deep end.
Locker room.
Locker room.
Shower area.
Shower area.
Swimsuit.
Swimsuit.
Swim trunks.
Swim trunks.
Swim cap.
Swim cap.
Goggles.
Goggles.
Flippers.
Flippers.
Kickboard.
Kickboard.
Swim ring.
Swim ring.
Water wings.
Water wings.
Pool noodle.
Pool noodle.
Life jacket.
Life jacket.
First aid kit.
First aid kit.
Towel.
Towel.
Sunscreen.
Sunscreen.
Whistle.
Whistle.
Timer.
Timer.
Swim watch.
Swim watch.
Flip-flops.
Flip-flops.
Crocs.
Crocs.
Swim bag.
Swim bag.
Swim instructor.
Swim instructor.
Lifeguard.
Lifeguard.
Beginner swimmer.
Beginner swimmer.
Advanced swimmer.
Advanced swimmer.
Swimming lesson.
Swimming lesson.
Safety lesson.
Safety lesson.
Water play time.
Water play time.
Family water play.
Family water play.
Swim race.
Swim race.
Swim medal.
Swim medal.
Pool rules.
Pool rules.
Safety sign.
Safety sign.
Safety line.
Safety line.
Pool depth.
Pool depth.
Emergency button.
Emergency button.
Splash.
Splash.
underwater,
underwater,
diving,
diving,
floating,
floating,
flutter kicking,
flutter kicking,
treading water,
treading water,
flip turn,
flip turn,
freestyle,
freestyle,
backstroke,
backstroke,
breaststroke,
breaststroke,
butterfly stroke,
butterfly stroke,
dog paddle,
dog paddle.
Great job, everyone! Now you know some cool swimming words. Don't forget to stay safe and have fun in the water. See you next time. Bye-bye.